Hello and welcome to my channel. This is sweet pickle daikon and carrots. In Vietnamese we call this đồ chua. It is one of the essential ingredients in the spring roll that I make. As well as Vietnamese sandwiches. Oftentimes you're gonna see this served with Vietnamese noodle bowl, the bún thịt nướng. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these. I also eat this as a snack, so it's one of the staple snack that I have in my fridge. So. Very crunchy, sweet.
To prepare, gather all the ingredients that you will need. A clean mason jar, sugar, vinegar. The ratio of carrots and daikon is up to you, but I'm using 2 carrots and 1 large daikon for a 50-50 ratio. Peel the daikon and the carrots with any vegetable peeler that you have at home. And if you have a special way to julienne the daikon and carrots, go ahead and do that. The way that I julienne them, I cut it manually. The first cut I am using just a regular knife. The second cut I am using a salad chopping knife. This knife has a wavy blade and is the same knife that you would use to cut potatoes to make waffle fries. I love the wavy look of the carrots and the daikon using this salad knife, so I'm doing that. I will make sure to put a link on my website, ricepaperlady.com, to where you can purchase this knife. Next, sprinkle salt over the carrots and daikon and toss. This method will extract water from the vegetable. I normally let this sit for 5 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to make the vinegar mixture for the pickle. To make the vinegar water in a large measuring cup, combine 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Then add in 3/4 cup of water. So the ratio for the vinegar water is 3:1. 1 part sugar, 2 parts vinegar, and 3 parts of water. If this is the first time that you are making the pickle, this is the ratio that I would recommend. Adjust the vinegar water after your second and third attempt, and adjust the vinegar water to your taste. I like this ratio of 3:1 because I can now do it easily without thinking about it. Now that the carrots and the daikon have been soaking in the salt, they should be a little bit softer. Rinse them with water over the sink a couple of times and slightly squeeze out any excess moisture. Drain and let it dry for 15 minutes. Transfer the carrots and the daikon into a clean jar. My family love to eat spaghetti, so I have these 28 ounces of jar that I have recycled for pickles and sauces that I am using. For the amount of 2 carrots and 1 large daikon, after rinsing it and drying it, it fit perfectly well into this jar that I am using. Pour the vinegar water over the vegetables and cover the lid. Place the jar in the refrigerator and let the vegetable marinate in the vinegar water for 1 to 2 days before eating. They will keep in the refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, hit the thumb up icon and be sure to share this with family and friends. Thank you. Hope to see you back here again soon.